Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss these questions as you can see on your screen. Your question is what? The domain of the function fx is equals to log this functions, right, to the base 7. After that, yet another function to the base 4. So what we have to do in this question? First, you will apply the condition on this logarithm, then after this logarithm, right? So see here, the first you will apply on this x squared minus 9x plus 18. So as you know that this quantity will always be positive, right? So what we can write, let's write here case 1. Okay, so what we can write, x squared minus 9x plus 18, this will be greater than 0, right? So how will you solve this? You can apply method of intervals. Okay, so what we can do, x minus 6, then after x minus 3 greater than 0. Okay, so now you see here, let us find the critical points. So what are the critical points? The first critical point will be 3 and the second critical point will be 6. Plus, minus, plus, right? So what we have to take? We have to take the positive parts, right? So what we can write? X belongs to minus infinity to 3 union 6 to infinity, right? So this we have got from the case number 1. Okay, so now second, case 2. Case 2. Now you see here, now you can apply the condition on this logarithm, right? So this entire expression will be positive, right? So you write here 1 minus log 4 base log this function x square minus 9x plus 18, right, to the base 4 will be what? Always positive, right? So this is what, this is nothing but the inequality. Now we have to solve it. So let's solve it. What we can do here, see, minus log base 4 x square minus 9x plus 18 greater than what? Here it is, if it goes that side then minus 1. Okay, so now what we have to do, log 4 x square minus 9x plus 18. So what will happen? Sign of inequality will get changed and here it will be 1. Why? Because we are dividing both the side with a negative number. Okay, so sign of inequality will change. So now you see how to solve this. So here x square minus 9x plus 18, right? And here logarithm base is greater than what? Greater than 1. So sign of inequality will not get changed, right? So it will be as it is. So here it is 4 power 1 means what? 4 only, isn't it? So here you can write x square minus 9x plus 18 minus 4 less than 0. Okay, so what we can do here, x square minus 9x plus 14 less than 0. Okay, again you can apply here method of intervals. So how will you? So here it is, directly we can write x minus 7 and x minus 2 less than 0. Draw the number line, you put the critical point. What is that? Critical point is 2 and 7 plus minus plus, we have to take negative part, right? So this is the negative part. So what we can write, we can write x belongs to 2 comma 7. Okay, so now this is the case 1 and this is the case 2. So case from the case 1 we have got this answer and from case 2 we have got this answer. So now what we will do, we will take the intersection of both the cases. Okay, so let's do that. So see here, you draw one number line. Okay, then after you write all the points. So what are the points? Here it is minus infinity and here it will be infinity. Okay, so the first point will be 2, then after 3, then after 3, then after 6 and 7. So these are the points. Now you see here, here it is minus infinity to, let me change the color. So see here it is minus infinity to 3, minus infinity to 3 means here, right? Hollow circle. After that 6 to infinity, 6 to infinity. Okay, 6 to infinity. Then after 2 to 7, 2 to 7, 2 to 7, right? 2 to 7. So now we have to select the common part. So which is the common part? See here. So common part is this, right? And this. Okay. So what we can write here? X belongs to 2 comma 3 union 6 comma 7. Okay. And we have already condition. See here, alpha comma beta and gamma comma delta. Then you have to find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So you can compare with this can be compared with that, right? So if you compare, then you will get to know that alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. So what is the value of alpha? So from here we can say alpha is 2, beta is 3, right? Beta is 3, and then after gamma, what will be the value of gamma? Gamma will be 6 and delta will be 7. So you add here 3 plus 2 5 plus 6 11 plus 7 what? 18. So you just check the option. So your correct option is A, right? So 18 is the right answer.